Welcome back to my channel. So guys, I am cooking now a rice here. It's a rice and I am boiling a water. So use woods now. Always use this because you know na the electricity is so expensive, so I need to use the woods. So I have a lechon baboy here. So it looks like this when it's not chopped. So here is the skin of the lechon baboy. It is so crispy when it is newly cooked. So let's eat lechon baboy. I really like to eat this part of the fork because the bones is so delicious. Today's video, I'm going to share all of you my unboxing because I received a new package today. I ordered it in the online store here in the Philippines. It is the Shopee. So here it is. It's a mosquito net. I ordered a color blue. So let's take a look and check if there is no damage and if the item is correct. So let's open it together. Okay. Let's open. So I order a king size. You know that it's important to have a mosquito net. There you go, here it is. Charan! Wow! The color is correct. It's a color blue. So let's open if there is no damage. Wow! So here is my new mosquito net. My gosh. The question is it a king size? My gosh. I hope it's a king size. So here's the quality of the mosquito net. Wow, it's so nice. Pwede na pang kasal. Chan, chan, charan. Chan, chan, charan. Chan, chan, charan. So Please help me in putting it in my bed. How about you guys? Do you have a mosquito net in your room? For me, it is very important to have a mosquito net because it is very dangerous to be bitten by a mosquito. Okay? So, let's put it in my bed. I am finished putting my mosquito net here in my bed. So I am ready to sleep now. My bedsheet is color blue and also my mosquito net is color blue. Good night. I will sleep now. After putting my mosquito net, I feel hungry again. So I have banana turon and a kamote Q. I only bought it for only 5 pesos. So who wants to eat? Here in my favorite eating spot. It is so sweet, guys. The turon is so sweet. Also the kamote here is so sweet because there's a sugar on it. I don't eat all the time because it's not healthy because it's so sweet. I prefer to eat a boiled banana and a boiled potato. By the way, it's 4 in the afternoon here.